Today we are dealing about the reproductive health chapter. See, first we have gone through the reproduction, sexual reproduction in flowering plant. Reproductive health means as per the WHO. According to the WHO means World Health Organization, reproductive health means a total well-being in all aspects of reproduction, that is physical, emotional, behavioral, and social. In all these factors, we need to be a healthy person. At that time only, we are going to consider as healthy in reproductive. See, first, reproductive health problems and strategies. So, what are the problems about this, and what are the strategies we need to use? Okay, the various problems and strategies of reproductive health are given below. First one, uh, if you don't know anything about the strategies and the problems, first factor is what? Overpopulation. The increasing human population, especially young individuals, who determines the size, health, and prosperity of the future population. These are the characteristics. These young individuals belong to different age groups such as puberty, adolescence, and early childhood. See, these are the stages where we are facing the problems. Next, health and education of these young individuals as well as age of marriage and childbearing capacity of women are some crucial concerns for the overall reproductive health of the human population. See, what they're telling, we need to finalize one age for the marriage. See, child don't have this capacity, but nowadays we are hearing that the adolescent or early childhood person is got pregnant, especially in the girls. Keeping in view the above concerns, Government of India initiated the number of programs. Some of them are given below. First one is what? Family planning program. It is initiated in the year 1951. Second program is what? Reproductive and Child Healthcare RCH program. It is launched in the year 1997 for creating, see, what is the prospectus, we can say what is the importance of these programs. First one, it is going to create the awareness among the people about what various reproductive related aspects and providing facilities and support for building up a reproductively healthy society are the major tasks under these programs. See, these all are the major priorities of these programs. See, next, sex education. Introduction of sex education in schools and colleges is another step to disseminate right information to adolescent about reproductive organs, accessory organs of reproduction, secondary sexual characteristics. See, these are the main features we can say. We need to involve sex education in colleges, schools, and other equivalent uh, associations. See, next, adolescence and related changes, safe and hygienic sexual practices, sexually transmitted diseases, etc. These are also important factors in the adolescence. See, this knowledge will save the young peoples from myths and misconceptions. See, many of the myths are there in our culture, society, as well as the misconceptions about the sex related aspects, and also help them to lead a reproductively healthy life later. See, if they know what are the consequences and what will be the age, all this, if they know, then only they are going to not suffer from any of the STIs, STDs, other things. Okay, knowledge about birth control methods, and care of mother and child. See, this is the important factor we need to think of it. First, it is going to providing scientific knowledge about birth control methods, care of pregnant mothers, importance of breastfeeding, equality of sex, etc. to the fertile couples. Okay, next, people in marriageable age group is another goal of reproductive child healthcare programs. Okay, such knowledge would help them to bring up a socially conscious, healthy family of desired size. See, if we know all these terms, we are going to concise our family, or we can make a limited number of our family. Awareness about social evils. See, we need to teach every child about this, creating awareness about the consequences of uncontrolled population growth and social evils like sex abuses and sex related crimes, use of drugs, tobacco, and alcohol, etc. among young people is another important aspect of the RCH program. See, so these are all the, we can say, we need to learn all this. Such awareness among people will help to build up a reproductively healthy society. See, if all these things we are following, then only we can say the persons are healthy reproductively. Next, how to implement reproductive health. See how we can apply in our society, in our culture. Successful implementation of various actions plans to attain reproductive health requires strong infrastructural facilities, professional expertise, and material support. See, if we want to imply this, we need to have a strong infrastructure, facilities, next to that, professional experts, those who are going through every day. Next, material, which we need to use as a teaching material, or how we can use them, how we are using them, what we are using, all these things we need to imply. These are essential to provide medical assistance and care to people in reproduction related problems like pregnancy, delivery, STDs, abortions, contraceptions, menstrual problems, infertility, etc. See, these are the important characteristics we can say. Firstly, pregnancy, delivery, or the parturition. STD stands for the sexually transmitted diseases. Abortions, or we can say it is one more term, medical termination of the pregnancy. Next, care to people in reproduction related problems. See, all these things we need to take care of. Next, implementation of better techniques and new strategies from time to time is also required to provide more efficient care and assistance to the people. See, statutory ban on amniocentesis of sex determination to legally check increasing menace of female feticides, massive child immunization, etc. are some of the programs that merit mention in this connection. In amniocentesis, some of the amniotic fluid, it is one of the technique which is doing in the embryonic stage, or when the embryonic development is going on. See, what is going to happen in these techniques, some of the amniotic fluid of the developing fetus is taken to analyze the fetal cells and dissolve the substances. This procedure is used to test the, see, we can see significance of the amniocentesis. This procedure is used to test for the presence of certain genetic disorders. See, this test is mainly used for the detection of some of the genetic disorders like Down syndrome, hemophilia, sickle cell anemia, these all are the genetic disorders. It also determine the survivability of the fetus, whether the fetus is going to survive or not. It is also going to describe us. Okay, next, research on various reproduction related areas are encouraged and supported by the government and non-government agencies to find out new method to improve the existing ones. A drug, see, it is one of the it is one of the contraceptive, we can say, or famous contraceptive in India named as Sahi. It is one of the oral contraceptive used by the females, and it is developed by CDRI in Lucknow. CDRI stand for Central Drug Research Institute in Lucknow. Next, better awareness about sex related matters, increased medically assisted delivery,